In the you're going to see me add universal indicator to the test tubes that notice that the indicator turns green in each of these solutions because water has a neutral. If swirling the water around, I will then add a piece of metal to each of the 3 test tubes. So we can look at reacting aluminum, calcium, and magnesium with water. Remember, the most reactive will react with water. This first container includes aluminum. So you'll notice that aluminum kind of looks like a rock. And when I drop the aluminum into the water, you'll notice pretty much nothing happens. The aluminum goes to the bottom of the water, but it does not begin to react. Next metal that I will be attempting to react is the magnesium. Magnesium actually comes in little pieces of ribbon that I've these pieces of tiny metal is a magnesium ribbon. When I drop the magnesium into the water, you will once again see, nothing happens. Magnesium also just goes to the bottom of the test and does not react. This has been a pretty boring demonstration, so hopefully this last one works out a little bit nicer. This demonstration, I will be taking the calcium. And calcium metal looks a little bit different from the other metals because it's not quite shiny. It's not as shiny because it's actually already oxidized. It's already reacted with the oxygen on the top coat of it. But even though the top coat's already reacted, underneath that white powdery coat is still calcium. And you'll notice that as calcium into the water, change does start to occur. You'll probably see little bitty bubbles forming from the calcium that's in the bottom. And you'll also notice probably a dramatic color change. Instead of that neutral green color, now the water around the calcium is purple, which indicates that pH has definitely changed. Because the calcium also has started to bubble and produce gas, the other thing I'm going to do is test it with a burning spoon. So I'm going to take this wooden spoon, this little piece of wood, and I'm going to light it, and then I'll hold that above the test tube that has calcium in, where you can now see the dramatic reaction. If you look away, you might miss the actual process. If you look really closely, you'll see the fire just kind of poof up. Remember that each of the gases that we studied is indicated by a different color, and one of them was a phosphorus, which is exactly what you just said. Of our 3 metals, aluminum, calcium, and magnesium, calcium was the only one that reacted.